Hello, in this video, I'm gonna show you one of the applications that I often use in my classroom. So the name of the application is Google Classroom, and then I will show you later how to access Google Classroom, including some brief explanation of the benefits and then also limitations of using Google Classroom. So from the name, Google Classroom, this application belongs to Google and then it's free. Everyone can access it once they have their Google account. So for example here, I'm gonna show you how to access this application. I'm already in my Google account and then you see here the button Google Apps. Once you click it, it will show you different applications from Google. And then if you want to find out Google Classroom, you can go here. So you just click it, and then if you are a new user and then probably you are a teacher, you can create your classroom and then name your classroom, for example here like this, and then you can invite your students. So the next thing that I want to say is that what this technology can do in a classroom or in language teaching processes. So from the name, it's Google Classroom. So there are lots of benefits from this application. And then the main purpose is to support the teaching and learning processes. Mainly, it is used as the supplementary medium for the online learning, or probably for the blended learning or flipped classroom and etc. So teacher can use this application to create assignment, and then the assignment is varied, like teacher can create quiz and common assignment like essay and etc. And then after that, students can also get their grades or their score, including comments here using this application. And then if you see here, Class Drive folder, whenever teachers post the materials, teaching materials or maybe assignment, it will automatically save all the stuff into the Google Drive. So I think this is very beneficial because once teacher have had their materials, then they can recycle the materials, and they probably they want to use it in another classroom or for another students. They can access it again without wasting their time to create the same the same materials. That's some of the benefits that this application can help support the teaching and learning processes. To be specific, I want to give you an example of how this helps me a lot in my classroom. So for example here, this is my classroom for private teaching IELTS or academic IELTS. So I always use this application to post my materials like this, the presentation, PowerPoint presentation, before the class is started. And then we can also interact with the students through the class comment section here. Okay. However, this application has also limitation. One of the limitations is that it's not interactive like Microsoft Teams or Zoom, because there is no such option for teachers and students to do online meeting like video conference meeting. And then the next limitation is that we need to we need to refresh the page regularly in order to see the comments from the other users, for example, from our students. But overall, I can say that this application is really helpful in terms of the usefulness. So that's all about my explanation today. Thank you.